Let's do this. So, number 1, debit card fees form part of bank charges. That's true. What's the thing that doesn't form part of bank charges? Interest. Any parts of interest. And please also make sure, if they say debit interest, I know it's a minus, it's CPJ. If they say credit, it's plus, it's CRJ. Make a note, they always catch you with that. Interest on overdraft. Oh my goodness, what did I just say? Interest on overdraft is a minus. So it's recorded in the receipts. No, that's false. A minus is recorded in the CPJ. A debit balance in the bank statement is unfavorable. You guys remember, my books, this is my books. Bank is a plus minus. The bank statement is minus plus. Minus unfavorable plus favorable. The information relates to surprise stores. The business is owned by Themba Zwane. Themba receives the official bank statement on the 26th every day, every month. Meaning everything happening after the 26th will not appear on the statement. EFTs are renumbered, blah, 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 blah. Use the table to do CRJ, CPJ, bank balance, recon. They always ask all three of this simultaneously. You're going to do it. First thing you do, write down your format. Balance according to bank statement. Credit, outstanding, deposit. Debit, outstanding, EFT. Right at the bottom, balance according to bank account, which you'll find here. So, always. I'm very sure. So, on 1st July, the bank account reflects favorable, meaning plus, meaning debit, balance of 53. So I'm somehow going to do my T here. I'm going to say this is my bank T, favorable balance, 53,800. The bank recon shows the following EFTs and deposits that were outstanding. This is things that wasn't on the previous one. Now, remember they said they send it on the 26th. So this one makes sense. But this one, I know there's most probably going to be cash missing. But let's see. The deposit on 15 June appears on the July statement. But can you see it appears as 15.5. So 4,000 is missing. An investigation revealed that the cashier has resigned. And they don't have to tell you. You have to know that that 4,000 needs to be written off. Now that 4,000, if it needs to be written off, I go opposite. Money I received, opposite, pay. So there goes the 4. Next one. EFT 297 was correctly recorded as 69. I see here it's 96. So can you see it's overstated? It's overstated in the CPJ, so I'm going to go to the CRJ 27. Okay, next one. The other outstanding amounts appears in the statement. So, tick, 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 all of them, we are done. Next one. Before receiving the July statement, they showed these totals. Make sure that they have printed it. If it's not there, go write it in. Next one. A debit card payment for petrol was neglected to be recorded because we didn't give it to the bookkeeper. So it's a payment, The direct deposit received from a debtor in settlement of an account must still be recorded. What will I show? 5.8 or 6? 5.8. Because I am busy here only with bank totals. So it's all about cash here. I didn't receive the full amount. What is the difference there? And that would be my discount allowed. You see? And that's not cash. A direct deposit, oh no, a debit order payment. A direct deposit from Unitech. This is an error on the statement, meaning the bank made the mistake. So the bank needs to fix it. So I need to give myself a reminder to check in the next statement that they fixed it. So bank statement is minus plus. If it's a deposit, it means they plussed it on the credit side. So how am I going to take it out? Minus what side? Debit side. So you say debit, wrong deposit or wrong amount. Doesn't matter. 72,000. Yes.
They say that the bank was notified of this error.
Okay. Next one. Please stop talking. Next one. Bank charges 825. Interest earned 260. Entries in the journals after the 26th is obviously going to go to the recon. There's an outstanding deposit. There's an outstanding EFT. Please remember to number them. 4238. And they don't give me a bank statement balance. Now what stays behind is I need to balance. So let's total. What do I get? Okay. It's very important that you write in these totals. You're not going to get marks for it. But we need to see that you take that one here and that you take that one here. You don't have to do it in a T. You can say this plus this minus this. And you don't have to go do the whole balancing in writing. You can just write down what's the difference here.
20. No, 20.
Read 20123.
2520.
No.
2520.
No.
2520.
Thank you. So this 20520, is it a debit or a credit? It's positive, so it will go here, positive. Now, you can see that this thing is a T account. Ne? So I go, look, obviously this side is bigger because there's a 72 and there's only a 29. So I'm going to total this and it gives me, anybody? Quick. Now because I know this is the amount on this side, it will balance. And that 105.20 less the 29 gives me my bank statement.
I'm never wrong.
Okay, I quickly go look. There's no other question.